It's not often that birds will be thought of as war heroes, but during World War I, a pigeon named Cher Ami helped the Allies during the last year of the war. Having had 3 previous homing pigeons intercepted by Imperial German forces, the American soldiers on the ground finally sent Cher Ami to relay the message pleading to stop artillery attacks on friendly positions. The Germans saw Cher Ami flying and shot him down, resulting in the bird losing an eye and a leg. However, he stood back up and continued flying. He made it to his destination where medics quickly treated his wounds. With the Allies ultimately successful, Cher Ami became one of the most famous birds on both sides of the Atlantic, with US General John Pershing praising the bird, and the French government awarding the bird with the Croix de Guerre.